Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about Cash App withdrawal limit increase tutorial. So by default, Cash App sets withdrawal limits for security reasons. Typically uninvented accounts can withdraw up to $250 within a 7-day period, up to $1,000 in a 30-day period. To increase these limits, you will need to verify your identity. Here is how you can do that. First, open your Cash App and tap the profile icon on the top right corner. Then select Personal or Account Settings depending on your app version. Now you'll see an option to verify identity. Tap on it and follow the prompts. Cash App will ask for some personal information including your name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. In some cases, you may also need to upload a photo of a government issued ID like your driver's license or passport. Once you submit this information, Cash App will verify your identity. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days. After verification, your withdrawal limits will increase significantly, usually up to 7,500 per week for withdrawals and unlimited deposits. If you have already verified your identity and still face limits, make sure your Cash App and operating system are updated to the latest version. Sometimes logging out and back in can also help. A couple of important tips. So for the first, always use accurate information during verification to avoid delays. 2. Keep your Cash App updated for the smoothest experience. 3. If you have issues with verification, contact Cash App support through the app. Remember, increasing your limits also means extra responsibility to keep your account secure. Make sure to enable PIN or biometric security to watch your transactions regularly, and that's how you increase your Cash App withdrawal limits quickly and safely. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button and ring the bell if you want to get notified every time we upload any kind of tech tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.